Hi there, Cher Johnston here. Today's Take a Stitch Tuesday. We're going to do the coral stitch. So I have a line here. I'm going to start the right hand side, go in on the bottom, come up at the top, and then your thread is going to go over, around and under that's the needle, and then pull through. And you're going to pull in the direction that you want the stitch to go. Again, up. You can take a tiny small bite or a larger one, depending on the look that you want. You can go close or far, just depends on the look that you want. Most of the time people, I think most of the time people show this upside down, going from the bottom to the top. It's easier for me to do my stitches this way, so I do it differently. You're just basically putting a little knot in the thread. And that is the coral stitch. Thanks for watching.